Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how to log out of YouTube account on mobile. So simply head to your YouTube and now click on your profile from the top right side of your screen, and here you will see that which account you are logged in. And then what you're going to be doing is that after noting that particular account, you need to head to your phone settings, and there you're going to be searching for accounts. When you do, click on that, and from here you're going to be removing that particular account. So you can see we also have this feature of add a new account, and you can just choose which account was that. You can see this was that account, and you can simply choose to disable or remove this particular account from your device, and that's how your YouTube will be logged out of that particular account. So that's a pretty simple process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.